Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make your text on your screen readable on iPhone. Right now, all you have to do is go to your settings, and when you go to your settings, you go for accessibility. I hope you can see that here. Click on accessibility. Then the next thing, you go to display text size. I hope you can see that here. Tap on display text size. So the first thing you're going to do here is you click on bold text. So you have to turn this on. As you can see, this is off, and you have to take a very good look at the text here, how tiny it's looking before I turn this on. Right, so I'll turn the bold text on. I hope you can see it just zoomed immediately. So the next thing you're going to do is increase contrast. I hope you can see this. So I'm going to turn this on to increase the contrast. So I've turned this on, and automatically this text is now bold enough and readable. Right, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like and share. As I told you guys, I'm going to be bringing a lot of updates on iPhone and Android for you guys.